SMLSCO has been engaged in the stainless steel pipeline industry since 2006. We realize that delayed delivery is a pain point in this industry, causing customers to lose money and precious reputation. To solve this, SMLSCO is committed to creating a simple and fast way to help you obtain quality products at the fastest speed. SMLSCO is equipped with a 10,000 square meter indoor warehouse for seamless pipe and tube. We maintain 2,000 tons of regular sizes in stock from 1/4 inch to 18 inches, with total inventory exceeding 3,000 tons. By mass-producing each size and reserving inventory, we significantly reduce costs and shorten delivery cycles. This model allows us to reduce lead times to 2 weeks for stock items. Our materials cover Austenitic and Duplex. For seamless pipe, we stock sizes up to 18 inches in various schedules. For seamless tubes, we provide bright annealed, clean ID tubes that are 100% eddy current tested. We are committed to providing you with larger sizes and more varieties to meet your diverse stockist needs. All raw materials come from top suppliers. We promise 3 inspection procedures: raw material, process, and 100% pre-shipment inspection. Furthermore, SMLSCO has developed a dedicated quality record system where inspectors record all inspection photos on the server for you to trace. All products undergo 100% inspection before shipment with an EN 10204 3.1 MTC issued. SMLSCO's factories are ISO and PED certified. Our professional team responds to all needs within 15 hours. SMLSCO, steel in stock, delivered on the dot. Your trusted stainless steel pipeline system partner.